Hello everyone, this is RICHMETERS brand 403 buttons type multimeter. This one is an automatically device. Only have 3 buttons and the NCV hold button. Also, this is a button to open the backlight and the flashlight. This one is power on and off. 3 holes, voltage. Resistance continuity in this hole, COM hole, and this is currency hole. Can only test the amp and A and MA. This one is 4000 counts device. So let's power on the device. Open the backlight. It shows auto. Obviously, it is automatically shows. Firstly, we test the NCV function. You can click NCV button, don't lose, then close to the socket. You see the beeps and with flashlights. Also, you can use a test lead to find out the firewire. Still you can press this function, then test this hole. It's not firewire. Yeah, we got the firewire. Test this one again. You see. Okay, let's test the water. This one is Chinese standard voltage. It shows AC voltage, True-RMS. This is a battery. DCV. You don't have to press any buttons to change the function. Then you can test this resistance. This is very